Lan Zhen, a deputy to the National People's Congress, China's top legislature, has been dedicated to improving education in rural areas.
我们送教下乡到比较偏远的农村小学，看到小学图书室形同虚设，我就想，针对农村学校图书室建设方面提一些建议，优先采集由教育装备部门推荐的图书，注意剔除过时且已经不适合小学生阅读的图书。
Lan, also the party secretary of Zhangzhou Experimental Primary School in East China's Fujian province, says efforts are also needed to promote the integrated and balanced development of compulsory education in urban and rural areas and safeguard fairness in education.
我们也欣喜地看到，这几年教育在发生变化，各级政府在推动城乡义务教育一体化发展，高度重视农村义务教育，努力让每个孩子享有公平而有质量的教育的这样的乡村教育改革和发展新战略上取得的成绩也是可喜的。